Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the DPRUI D-015 desktop speakers. As we can see, the front of the package has an image of the product itself. On the top right, we have some of the devices that it is compatible with, which include laptops, PCs, MP3 players, smartphones, and other USB compatible devices. Over here, we can see that it is a 2.0 multimedia speaker. Underneath that, we can see the brand, the model number. Over here, we have some writing that says portable speakers and easy to carry music everywhere. Underneath that, we have a sign saying mini digital speaker. On the right hand side of the package, we have some specifications and system configurations. So let's go through them one by one. The specifications include an impedance of 4 ohms, output power of 5 watts, frequency response of 90 Hz to 20 kHz, sensitivity of greater than equal to 70 decibels, SNR of greater than or equal to 65 decibels, and distortion of less than or equal to 0.3%. The system configuration includes USB 2.0 and USB 1.1 with audio output with sound card and support for plug and play functionality. On the left hand side of the package, we can see an illustration of how the speakers can be set up with a PC, and below that we have the various color options that the speakers are available in. On top we have the model number once again and the branding mini digital speaker. There's nothing on the bottom, and on the back of the packaging it is exactly the same as the front, except that the color is different. On the front, we have the red color variant of the product, and over here we have the white and blue color variant. That's about it on the outside of the packaging, so let's get into it now. As you can probably see, we have the red and black variant of the product. We have some red accent around the front and around the middle. The middle ring is around the driver units, and the driver units are silver in color with a black highlight around it. Overall, the speakers have a matte black finish all around it, and on the back of one of the speakers, we have a volume control wheel. We have a cord with a USB Type-A interface and the 3.5mm jack. The USB Type-A interface will be used to power the product, while the 3.5mm jack will be the cable that carries the sound. The cable itself is approximately a meter long. So let's see how we can connect the D-015 speakers to a laptop or a PC. All we are going to need is to connect the USB Type-A interface into its appropriate receptacle and the 3.5mm cable into its appropriate receptacle. That message notifies us that the speakers are connected and ready for use. So let's play some music on them. And that's about it in terms of the unboxing of the DPRUI D-015 2-channel speakers. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.